Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This observation is particularly relevant to pregnancy as weight gain greater than 10% occurs in most women. Habitual snoring, the hallmark symptom of SDB, increases during pregnancy 3 to 5 and is particularly common in preeclampsia. 7 September 2012.
Take our lead.
It's common to feel more fatigued than usual during the first and third trimesters of your pregnancy. In the first trimester, your blood volume and progesterone levels increase. This can leave you feeling pretty sleepy. 28 May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In fact, they can be obnoxiously loud with their gurgling, snoring, whistling, hiccuping, coughing, sneezing and grunting. Learning to breathe outside the womb can also cause a number of weird and wonderful sounds, which you'll hear, sometimes all night long, if the baby is sleeping in a bassinet next to you. 10 November 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.